Hey everybody, this is Patty. I have sliced up some Irish potatoes and I have some frozen chicken bites, and I am going to put them in the air fryer. And I have my air fryer right here. I'm going to put the air fryer on 325 to 350 for about 15 minutes. I just need a quick snack and I'll be right back. I'm back. These are my steak fries and my chicken bites that I put in my air fryer. And I have ketchup, Chick-fil-A, Polynesian sauce, and honey mustard. And these are my steak fries and my chicken bites. So I'm going to take a little snack here. This is Patty Southern Kitchen. Please subscribe, like, share, follow, tap the notification bell so that you will be reminded of uploads, and make comments, ask questions. We will talk to you soon. I love all of you. Goodbye.